y'all, welcome back to Krista's Kitchen. So as y'all seen, we have some extra pears and apples and things that we got in our Misfits box, and we need to use them up. We've been eating them pretty good, but wanted to do something with them besides just eating them as a snack. So we have a fall apple recipe that we usually eat, again, in the fall when the citrus fruits are coming into season. The only downside with it right now is citrus isn't at its greatest. We're at the end of the season, so we don't have a lot of that. I did attempt to peel the 4 little oranges that we had, and 3 of them just weren't worth peeling. They were just getting to the end of their life. I did go ahead and peel 1 of them. My preference is usually at least 4 or 5 of those small, like cuties or mandarin oranges, or 2 good size oranges. Use what you got. I also cut up 2 Honeycrisp apples already. You can use whatever style red apple that you prefer. Honeycrisp is just our preference because it's got that nice juicy crispness. I love my little apple tool. It speeds things up. But I just put them into little bite-sized chunks. I'm cutting up 2 Granny Smith apples also that you see I used my little apple core for. And just kind of taking off, I expect that it's got a little bad spot right here because I can see they're mushy. Yeah. So just trimming up what I have and using, you don't have to throw the whole thing away just because there's one soft spot, but using what we've got so that we can have a good afternoon snack. And then we're going to toss in these pears. I've already cut up 1 of my pears, but I'm going to toss in 4 of these small pears to give some variety to it also. But I'm going to speed things up a little bit and get through all of this chopping. It is a lot of chopping, but this makes a pretty large salad. You can always take it down to just like 2 apples, 2 pears, some of the seasonings and stuff, but we'll all kind of munch on this this afternoon. And then it'll be a good breakfast over our oatmeal in the morning as well. So I'm going to keep on chopping, and then once we get it all chopped up and in the bowl, I'll bring y'all back so we can see all the little mix-ins and the flavorings. But super, super simple. And if you have some extra citrus, some grapefruit, some oranges, anything like that, it's going to make this even better. See y'all back in a few minutes. As y'all can see, we have quite a full bowl over here. We'll pull it out so y'all can see everything. So we're going to add a couple tablespoons of lemon juice. This is going to help not only keep the apples from browning, but also give it a little bit of tart flavor. And usually I would toss in about a cup of walnuts or pecans and then some raisins. However, I have this cranberry pecan yogurt mix, or just topping mixture, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to add about a cup of that, but I can see this is way more cranberries than it is nuts, and I prefer the nuts more so. So I'm going to toss in some extra walnut pieces also. Just kind of break them up a little bit because I don't want those huge chunks. And y'all, this is good over yogurt by itself. I'll mostly eat it by itself, but a little bit of milk in a bowl. I know that sounds weird, but that's how Eleanor usually likes it. The child likes things different. It's okay. As long as she eats it, I don't care. Just a few more. Y'all know I'm a little heavy on the nuts most of the time. Alright. And then sprinkle in a little bit of cinnamon, maybe about, I'd say about 2 teaspoons again. You can always add more at the end if you feel like it needs some more. A little splash of vanilla. Here comes the fun part. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And this is not your table syrup, it's real maple syrup if I can get it open. But this is going to be your sweetening, syrupy agent. Obviously syrupy. Alright. I'm going to grab a spoon because for some reason I didn't do that. I'm going to mix it all around. You just want to get everything coated. And y'all can see why, if you have more oranges, that's what really helps break this up and bring it to a whole nother level. So once I pick Thatcher up this afternoon, I'll probably swing by the grocery store and pick up another orange. I kind of just decided that as I'm stirring this, but it'll help with the citrus. Oh, it smells so good. Y'all, I love the cinnamon. But this is going to sit for just a little bit, maybe 30 minutes. You could eat it right now if you wanted to, but those sugars and those seasonings just kind of meld together and it makes it even better. So I'm going to let it sit for about 30 minutes to serve myself a bowl, and I'll let y'all see what it looks like. There we go. So there it goes. But thank y'all for joining us. I'll leave a little picture at the end for y'all to see how it is. If you want to see more of our quick snack or meal ideas, don't forget to subscribe. And then just click on this video, this right here, if you want to see more of our content. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.